That's it. Oh, it photographs really well. How hard was that to do?
Not that hard.
Look, gorgeous. I said to her, if I walked into a flower shop and saw these in the front window, I would think, oh, what designer's working here? How long have you been doing flowers?
It's my hobby.
It's her second day. Pretty. How hard was that to make?
Pretty easy.
Yeah. Beautiful. What language do you speak?
Albanian.
Kid, and look at Shabam. Beautiful. That, which is your favorite one? 1, 2, or 3? I'm crazy about this one. Which is your favorite?
My favorite.
Ooh, whose is this? It's really pretty. Just get rid of that one leaf right there. Cut it out. There you go. Favorite one? 1, 2, or 3?
3.
Gorgeous. 1, 2, or 3?
2.
2? That's my favorite one too. Oakleys and white lilies. Very good. Excellent job. What is it? Tuesday night, your second night in class. And they're doing show-stopping window designs for Madison Avenue on their second day. I love them. Very good.